Today, let's catch up on the latest developments in the Parrotfish Conservation Project. Remember that initiative? It's been a while since we've delved into it. Additionally, we'll be connecting with Charlinda Forrester, the Outreach and Education Officer at the Montego Bay Marine Park, to discover what strides they've made since our last visit a few months back and gain insights into the intricacies of her role. Here's a quick reminder of why there is a need for the Parrotfish Conservation Project.
The focus is on parrotfish. They're actually herbivorous species, so they actually help the ecosystem. And for example, here we have an influx of algae growing on the reef, and we need for those herbivorous fish to kind of keep the population of algae in check.
Before we move on, can you list another sea animal that grazes on the reefs?
The grazers on the reefs are actually sea urchins. So for a bit we were seeing a decline in sea urchins all throughout the Caribbean, but now they're slowly coming back. So next time you go to the beach or even out here on tour with us, you could look and see those black spiky organisms. They're called diademas. Look out for them. You also have the white ones as well. So they're grazers on the reef. So they help to keep the algae population.
Right. As mentioned in previous videos, there is an overgrowth of algae on our coral reefs, and this has been caused by rising temperatures, overfishing and pollution, which has led to a decline in the parrotfish population. Have you ever seen a parrotfish before? During Q1 to 2, there was a notable 3.73% uptick in the parrotfish population. However, in the transition from Q2 to 3, we witnessed a remarkable surge, boasting a staggering 65.4%. Various factors contributed to this spike, including enhanced enforcement efforts, as we've previously discussed. Moreover, ongoing water monitoring at the designated sites plays a pivotal role in accurately assessing population growth and making necessary adjustments. Outreach also stands as a crucial pillar of the project, and this is where Charlinda plays a pivotal role. Beyond her routine responsibility at the park, which encompasses a range of tasks such as
Alright, so my position here at the Montego Bay Marine Park is really to create educational programs for students, young adults, the general public about marine issues or environmental issues affecting the marine life, and also create sort of a solution-based activities or projects that will aid in fostering sustainable development or activities to really preserve our marine life. So that will take us to with an interactive presentation, creating some sort of learning-based project, summer camps, field trips, going to schools coming to us, that sort of thing.
As mentioned before, she's also actively engaged in activities directly tied to the Parrotfish Conservation Project.
Right, so apart from dealing with a lot of students and creating environmental programs, I am also a part of the research team here at the Montego Bay Marine Park. So right now we are conducting a parrotfish conservation project, and with that we're monitoring about 3 sites to look at the population of parrotfish or the different species that are present in those particular areas. And coupled with that, now we do enforcement, so we have to monitor the sites and see that whatever fishing activities are taking place within the sites that we are monitoring, we gather all that data and then we compile a project from that. So that's what we're working on now, and this is a year-long project, and we're coming towards almost the end of it, of the first year. So maybe you'll catch me next time out on the water conducting our final survey.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the full playlist on the conservation project if you want to learn more.